guys? Welcome back. Digital Slang. Today, the HAKII Fit sport another pair of true wireless earbuds, and there are different options on here. This is the $99 option, and there are other things you can order to bump up the price a little bit. They offer a wireless charger. They offer a case that is wireless charging compatible. This is just a regular version. This comes in at 99 bucks. Saw the unboxing, and inside of the box we get a bunch of different ear tips, a bag, and of course here is the user's manual. Let's open this up first. Check out the user's manual. Hashtag live my sound. HAKII Fit user's guide. I dig their little H branding on here, their logo. I like it, it's kind of cool. On the bag we do get the branding here, and it's just a small bag, a small little carrying case. Hashtag live my sound on the back. It's a polyester bag. Pretty cool that we get it. And then we get a bunch of ear tips, and these are what make this thing unique, which makes it a little different. We're gonna have a bunch of options to wear these. We're gonna have, let's get them out of here. We get a bunch of silicone tips. We get a bunch of accessories to add on to these buds to give them a little different fit, to give them a little bit of comfort, to give them a little bit of stability if you're into working out. So as you can see, we get a bunch of extra silicone tips so you can get that good seal, so you can get that good sound. And then we have these sleeves that will go on top of your buds, which will give it a better fit in your ear, make it, they're gonna make it stay in, right? If you're into working out, and that's what these are geared for, working out, this will keep them in your ear a little more. And then you have these, this is kind of the Power Beats Pro style. You can add these to it as well to give it a little different look. And then you have this band here, this rubber band, which will connect to your buds also and give you that extra support. If you're a runner, if these are moving around in your ear and you just need them to stay a little bit better, this will help. So a bunch of options on here, and options are good. I always say options are good. I like when we get options, especially with a pair of earbuds that cost around 99 bucks. Well, they don't cost around, they're 100 bucks. So options are good. Let's talk about the specs. Bluetooth 5.0, of course. Now, micro USB to charge. At this price point, I would have liked to see a USB Type-C. Battery life on here is about 3.5 to 4 hours, so a little better battery life would have been nice too. And at this price point, you would think it'd be around 5-6 hours minimum, but it's around 3.5 to 4, depending on the volume that you are listening to content to. These are IPX5, water and dust resistant, so they're not waterproof, but you can work out in them, you can sweat in them, and they will be fine. Touch controls, it does support touch controls, and they do not control everything. They don't control the volume, but they do control everything else, and they're going to be just a tap touch, and it's going to work very well. Let's move all this stuff to the side right now, and we're gonna take a look at the actual buds in the case. So on the case, matte black, hard plastic, we do have a little notch here to carry it with, and if you open this up, that's where you're going to charge it. That's your micro USB slot, and this just pops open, and you do have the branding here. And once you pop it open, we'll get our first look at the buds, and they're nice. I dig the black and red color, you know, I dig that. And if we take these out, you can see they got the red silicone tips, and they are marked L and R, so you know which ear to throw them in. And there are some LED lights here on the bottom, and you can see each one will represent about 25% of juice. This thing is fully charged. So we're gonna connect them, throw them in, start the testing, see how good they are at this price point. Now to connect these are going to work the same on iOS and Android. You're just gonna pop these out of the case, sit them on a table. It's gonna pop up here, the HAKII Fit, and you hit connect. Once you're connected, you throw them in your ears, and we'll see how good they are. We'll see how good they sound. See if there's any delay, see how good the mic is. Hopefully it's pretty good. At this price point, it should be really good. So let's check them out. I'm gonna throw some beats on, play some music, see how they sound. Quality in here is really good. The highs and the mids are crystal clear, very sharp, and they sound fantastic. The bass though, I wish the bass was a little more punchy. I need it to be a little bit more when I listen to music personally. I am a bass head when I listen to content, when I listen to music, and I just wish there was a little more bass, and I wish they were slightly louder. If you're an audiophile, I think you're going to really like these. I'm a bass head though, so I just wish there was more bass. But overall, the highs and the mids sound fantastic, really clear. Let's keep going. We're gonna do a mic test. Check out the mic. What up, guys? The HAKII Fit Sport, another pair of true wireless earbuds. These come in at 99 bucks. So I'm expecting these mics to sound really good. They should sound crystal clear. Let me know how the mic sounds, guys. Next, we are going to check out the latency. We're going to jump into YouTube and iOS. You know, iOS, YouTube, and earbuds, they don't play nice together all the time. So let's hope there is no delay. No delay, perfectly in sync, and at this price point, that's what you expect. If there was some, it would be a big problem. It would be a deal breaker if there was, but it's not. Perfectly in sync. All right, guys, touch controls, the way they work, very simple. If you just tap it once, it's going to pause. If you tap it again, it's going to play, and that is also how you answer and end a phone call. If you double tap, it's going to bring up your voice assistant, and it will work exactly the same on iOS or Android. And if you touch and hold, it's going to go to the next track. And if you touch and hold on the other bud, it's going to go back to the previous track. Now, the one thing I wish these had, I wish we could control the volume from the earbud, but overall the touch controls work really well. These are very sensitive. You don't have to tap too hard. All right, guys, the HAKII Fit Sport, another pair of true wireless earbuds. Let's talk about the good, let's talk about the bad. Sound quality on these things, really good. It sounds crystal clear. Overall, I'm very happy with how they sound. I just wish they were a little more bass heavy, a little more punchy, and I would really be impressed by these, but overall sound is good. A little more volume too. You guys know I want to be able to turn my earbuds down, right? I don't want to wish there was a little more volume on a pair of earbuds. I don't ever want that. But overall, the sound quality on here is really good. No delay when listening to content on iPhone or Android. Battery life on here, I think battery life could have been improved. We got about 3.5 to 4 hours. At this price point, maybe we should get 5 to 6 minimum, right? And these are big enough to where you can just add a better battery. I'm not really sure why we only have about 3.5 to 4 hours. So that's one downside. The accessories we get with it, these are geared for people that work out. So we get a lot of options, a lot of ways to enhance how these fit in your ears. Options are always good. That is a good thing. No delay between audio and video. Let me know how the mic sounds, guys. I'm looking forward to editing this video so I can hear the mic. I'm expecting the mic to sound good on here. At this price point, the mic should sound really good. And the touch controls, they work really well, very easy to use. I just wish there was volume control. So some good, some bad. Overall, the HAKII, I'm not even sure how you pronounce it. I think it's HAKII. The Fit Sports, another pair of true wireless earbuds. Check them out, guys. I'll drop the link below. I hope everyone stays safe out there. If you are new to the channel, hit that like button and subscribe. And I'll be back soon with more content, guys. Peace.